Welcome back, SethBling here. It's another live stream. This time we're on Minecraft. I'm going to do some command block building, specifically building an item leveling system. And should be fun, but of course, I need to get the stream set up before I do anything else. So it'll take a couple minutes to get that all done. I have a couple things I need to do. I need to tweet it out and stuff like that, so bear with me. Or you can skip a couple minutes ahead if you're watching after the fact. Let's see. Let's listen to the audio.
Need to tweet it out.
Yep, audio's good. Actually, let's turn down my volume just a little bit. Save. Alright, there's my tweets. I think we should be good. Time to... Yeah, cool. Let's get started, I guess. Let's make sure I have everything up and ready to go. Let's see, I needed... there was something else I needed up. Maybe that's it. Okay. Cool. This should be fun. So, welcome to the stream. Still got the Sonic the Hedgehog stuff up here. Let me just turn this off so we don't get lagged. It's interesting. Why were there apples everywhere when I logged in? Oh, you know what? It's because... I bet it's because I took a screenshot for the thumbnail. Have I ever considered looking at MBT values to determine items in people's ender chests? Yeah, I know you can do that. It might be interesting for some things, but it's a little hard to use, I guess. But I'm going to be doing some inventory checking with NBT today. Set display sidebar. Cool. So I'm on both YouTube and Twitch now. The chat on YouTube is probably going to be terrible, so come over to Twitch if you want a better chat. Yeah, cool. People starting to filter in. I didn't really advertise the stream ahead of time, so I'm sure. Loving the beard, thank you. Thank you. It's Seth Beard Day 14 or something like that. Still working on it. Still not sure how far I'm going to take it, or if I'm going to shave it off, or what. 3 a.m. and SethBling starts to stream. Well, it's 6 p.m. where I am, so... Sorry. This is a good time for me. Alright, let's get some command block stuff. Command block. Let's fill up my inventory with redstone. Oops. Redstone, redstone, redstone. There's going to be some redstone today. Alright. So, what am I gonna do first? Well, let me explain what I want to do first thing, and I know there'll be people coming in and out, so kind of wasting my breath a little bit, but maybe you guys can fill in people as they filter in. The basic idea that I want to do is I want to have items that you can level up. So I'll probably do 3 items for the video. This is just going to be a proof of concept, so I'm not going to build it out so that, you know, it's reusable or anything. Just going to be a proof of concept. But the idea is, whenever you deal damage with the sword, you gain experience with the sword. Or if you're wearing boots, and whenever you move, you'll gain experience for the boots, or shooting with a bow. I'm not actually sure if the bow will work. We'll have to test that one out, but you'll level it up, and so I need to verify that the person's holding the item as they deal the damage, or that they're wearing the boots as they're running, so that if you're wearing like a different pair of boots, you'll level up that pair of boots, or that sort of thing. And then I need to have a system where once you do get enough experience, you can exchange your item. And I'm going to do that by having you just drop the item, and there'll be like a little graphical effect, and then you'll have the new item there, and it'll be leveled up. So actually, I think I'll do, for like the sword and the boots, I'll do different tiers of items. So you'll start with like chainmail boots, and like a stone sword, or maybe like I guess, yeah, like a stone or gold sword maybe. Actually, yeah, probably start with iron, then gold, then diamond. And boots, I'll probably do something similar. Chainmail, gold, diamond, or something like that. Anyway, so that's my plan. So I'm going to try and build that all during the live stream. So, yeah, should be fun. I'm not exactly sure where to get started. Maybe I should have planned this out ahead of time. But the basic idea, someone's saying iron's greater than gold. Iron is greater than gold, but that's only just the way that Minecraft is made. I can do whatever I want because I can add enchantments to items and stuff like that. Okay, so the first thing I want to do, I guess, is have a way to get the basic items into my inventory. Oops, I don't actually want to get rid of that. So let's see. I'm gonna need 3 buttons. Okay, so I'm gonna give the player. Okay, what do I want? Iron sword is just iron_sword. Iron sword. And then, so we're giving him 1 iron sword with 0 damage. I'm gonna make these things. What is it? Unbreakable, I think is the tag name. Actually, let me look this up. Let me pull up the list of MBT tags. Chunk formats. Should be pretty quick. I think it's unbreakable. Yeah, unbreakable. Oops. Okay, so unbreakable is the tag. That's what I want. What am I doing here? So that should be 1. And then display names. This is how I name the item. I'm going to call it basic sword. So that should give me a basic sword that doesn't take damage as you use it. So let's test it out. It's called basic sword. It's unbreakable. Cool. That worked well. That was easy. Just looking at the chat. Seth, do you have a sibling? I have 2 siblings, a brother and a sister. They're both older. Oh, thanks to Minecraft Gone Insane for $1. I've decided that starting now, I'm going to try it out anyway. I'm not going to read the notes on donations that are that are less than $5, just because it started to get really spammy in the last stream. And so hopefully that'll help deal with that. It won't take up as much time. I'll try it out. We'll see how I feel. It's the top donation. Cool. Alright, so that's the basic sword. I'm just going to copy the whole thing. I want chainmail boots. What's it called? It's chainmail_boots. Chainmail_boots. Same thing. And then, actually, before I give myself a bow, I want to add... I want to make sure I can detect when the bow is being used. Huh. Actually, let me think about this. So it'd be nice if I could detect damage dealt by a bow, but I'm not sure I can do that, actually. SethBling, do you know how to code? Yeah, that's how I make all my MCEdit filters and bucket plugins. Let's see. Well, so there's stat dot. Let's take a look at. Oh, it's sorry. Add bow. Okay, so stat dot. Okay, there's stat dot use item. I think that's what I want. Dot Minecraft dot bow. I don't know if this works. Let me test if this works. Bow. That'll be fine. Scoreboard objectives, set display sidebar bow. Let's scoreboard play. Whoops. Players set SethBling bow 1. Oops. Needs to be capitalized. So that I can test this out. I don't think it'll work if I'm in creative mode. Oh, it did. Okay. So I can detect when the bow is used. But I can't detect necessarily when the player has dealt damage using a bow. Let me see actually. So there's like damage dealt. Maybe I should make it so that if you deal damage while you're holding the bow, then it counts. Actually, yeah, I think that would be fine. I'm gonna minimize. I'm having problems here keeping the right windows on top of my desktop. Just give me a sec to minimize everything. Okay, that's better. And there we go. Welcome to the stream, everyone. If you want to chat, by the way, you should probably come over to the Twitch live stream. I put a link in the video description the description on YouTube. It's gonna be a little bit more, a little bit better. So I recommend you go there. Yeah, whoa there, buddy. Whoa there, buddy. You gotta cool it. Yeah. So. But the Twitch chat has moderators. Just please be. In general, obviously, it's best if you're just considerate of everyone and, you know, don't spam. If in the Twitch chat, if you do spam, you'll get timed out and banned. So, if you're just obviously breaking the rules, you'll get banned. So okay. Anyway, I'm gonna give the player a basic bow here. No reason not to. And we'll figure out exactly. I think I'll probably do the damage dealt. When you deal damage, if you're holding the bow, then you get. Maybe I'll even make it so that you have to have fired a bow within the last 2 seconds or something like that. I don't know. That's probably more complicated than I need to make it. So, basic bow. Alright, so let's get rid of this. Let's try getting my boots. Basic boot, or, well, it's still called basic. Sorry, I need the. It's still called basic sword. So basic boots, and then basic bow is right. Okay. So I have my basic sword, my basic boots. I'll go ahead and put those on. And then my basic bow. Cool. And let's give myself some arrows. Because I will need to go into survival for some of this, I guess. Okay. So, yeah, since they're all in breaking, that'll be fine. Yeah. Seth, what's the delay, if any? I think you mean in the live stream. It's different for YouTube and Twitch. The Twitch delay is probably about 20 or 30 seconds. YouTube delay is 45 seconds or so. I think that's just built into the system, so. Damage dealt doesn't count arrow damage, as somebody's saying. Let me test that out. Scoreboard objectives. Add dealt. Actually, I might even have this. No, okay. Dealt stat.damage dealt. Scoreboard objective set display sidebar dealt. Okay, let's make a spider. I need all these things. Okay, whatever. Here's a spider. Alright, so damage dealt with a sword, 70 is fine. Yeah, it doesn't count. Okay, so I'm gonna have to do it based on bow fires, I guess. Which kind of sucks, because you could just, like, shoot a bow, pick up the arrow again, Maybe if I delete the arrow as soon as it touches the ground, it'll be better. I mean, I could do that in order to prevent the player from picking up the arrow again. It's kind of a shame that it doesn't detect damage dealt. That's too bad. Well, okay. Anyway. So, let's see. So here's what I want to do. I'm going to create a clock here. So this is how you get the items. Let me put up signs here. I don't have as much inventory space as I want. Alright. Basic sword. Basic boots. Basic bow. So, alright, I'm gonna make a clock. I don't have any particular organization strategy here. So, alright, I'll just do it. So I'm making a clock, a 20 hertz clock. So fill tilde 1 tilde. Oh no, no, tilde 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 1 tilde. Just make it really big. Tilde tilde 1 redstone block. No, this is actually stone. And then should be right. Whoops. This is supposed to be a tilde 1. Great. So all this stuff is unnecessary. Boop-a-doo. Oops. I don't have... Okay. Fine. Alright, so then... use the same thing, but... So this is how I make all my clocks. All my fast clocks. And then I just put a redstone block here, and all these things are active now. Okay, so... So basically what I want to do is give the player experience based on damage dealt if they're holding the item in their hand. So, I need to make... Okay, scoreboard objectives, add experience dummy. So, scoreboard players add at a... Okay, this is gonna get complicated. This is like the meat of the redstone complication. Or I actually want to subtract. Scoreboard players subtract at a... Oh, okay. I want to use operations. Scoreboard players operation minus equals experience. So this is only going to be for a single player thing. Experience basic sword. So let's see. This is where the player goes, right? Oh. No, okay, it goes over here. Basic sword. So I'm subtracting from the experience to level the damage dealt. How does this work? Hold on. Oh, right, okay. At a dealt. Right? Scoreboard objective set display sidebar experience. Yes, it worked. Okay, so we're gonna start the experience at like 1,000 or something, and subtract experience from it. Like it's not actually experience; it's experience to level. So. Oh, thanks to Pipster187 for $3.16 and Rumbly Johnson for $2. Thanks for the donations. Yeah, so this works. The other thing I want to do here, I guess, is I want to reset the player's experience. So I want to scoreboard players set. Okay. Scoreboard players set experience basic sword 1,000. So when you get the item, it's going to give you 1,000 experience to level, which is, I think, 100 damage, probably. Okay, anyway. Oh, no, I deleted the... Or no, I wasn't doing it here. I was doing it here. Okay. So this is almost the command that I want, except I only want to subtract the damage dealt from the experience if the player is holding the sword. So I'm going to need an extra set of scores for this, I think. Score holding basic sword min equals 1. So yeah, this will get a little bit tricky here. Alright, so I'm going to need to move this actually way down the line. I'm going to need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, somewhere around here. So the first thing I want to do is I want to clear, for objectives, add holding basic swords. This is a new objective that is basically going to, oh, it's too long. I guess I can just call it basic sword. Okay. It's basically going to track whether or not the player is holding the basic sword or not. Scoreboard players set at a basic sword 0. Then so the commands are going to get executed in order going this direction. So first I'm going to set their score to 0. Then if they have the basic sword in their hand, I'll set their score to 1. Scoreboard players set at a basic sword 1, but only if they're holding the item in their hand. So I need... I may actually have to look up the syntax for this. I think I still have this open. Items. Okay, hold on. Player. I'm gonna have to look up. Where do I get this? I'll explain what's going on here after I finish a little bit more work. But basically, I'm building a item leveling system. Okay, let's see. Let me just look at a player. I need to find the right data types. So, selected item slot is an integer. So 0. So if their selected item slot is 0 and their inventory contains an item whose slot is 0, B, I think. Let me see. Slot should be a byte. Item. Whoops. Slot. Item format. Yes, slot is a byte. Come on. I'm trying to search through a web page right now. Sorry. Yeah, slot is a byte. So the item, I'm looking for a player whose selected item slot is 0 and who has an item in their inventory in slot 0 with a name of basic sword. So let's test it out. Scoreboard, objective set, display, sidebar, basic sword. So now I have the basic sword thing. I don't actually have a basic sword in my inventory. Let me go grab one. So when I put this in slot 0 and I hold it, it should be 1, but it's not. The data tag does not match for SethBling. So something is wrong here. I did something wrong. Is slot supposed to be capitalized? Yes. How do I... What did I mess up here? Selected... It's selected item slot. This is 0. Let me try 0. Actually, no, I shouldn't need a... I always mess up this stuff when I'm trying to test for items in players' inventories. Let's see. We did get some new donations. $10 from the Black Belt Panda says, "Keep up the awesome work." Thank you. $1 from Potato Tie. $6 from Hiccupville says, "Hello world." $10 from SP Games. And yeah, those new donations. Thank you very much for the donations, guys. Appreciate it. I'm not sure what's wrong with this, though, so let me look in my chat, see if someone has pointed it out yet. I'm not sure what exactly the problem is. Slot is 0B. Maybe it needs a tag here? I don't think that's right, though. Oh, that was right. Okay, so yeah, there we go. That was it. Yeah, it's just MBT is a little bit complicated. So anyway, you can see when I'm not holding the basic sword, the thing is 0. When I am, it's 1. This is only going to work in the very first slot, which is slot 0. So right now, I'm holding it, but it's not there. So basically, I just have to copy and paste this command block 8 more times and replace the slot with 1 and selected item slot with 1. So that'll just take a moment here. Let me actually move this thing to the end because it'll be easier to copy and paste that way. Let me make sure it works. Yes, okay. So we have selected item slot 2. Ugh, okay. I'll move the slot thing here also to the end. So it should go right here. So that way I can just copy and paste quickly. So select item slot is 2. There we go. So I have to do this for 0 through 8. Those are the 9 spots in the inventory. So just give me a moment to do that. That's 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, I have perfect amount of space here. And this will be good. I can just copy and paste command blocks after I'm done with one of these. Okay, so there we go. So now, no matter what slot I have it in, it'll detect whether I'm holding it or not. Let's put it back in slot 9. Yeah, we're good. Okay, so now, if I'm holding the sword, oh god, scoreboard objective set display sidebar experience. Oh, interesting. It should be constantly subtracting the 70 from the basic swords experience. So let's see. Why isn't it doing that? What's the previous output here? Unknown command? Something's a little weird here. So, oh, right. Holding basic sword is not a legit thing. So this should just like, yeah, there we go. Experience is just going to 20 times a second get subtracted 70 from it. Seth, you should use a title command to announce new level of item. Yeah, I do plan on doing that actually. At the very least, it'll be in the chat. I don't know if I should put it in the title or not, because that's going to cover up the screen. Maybe I'll do it very briefly in the title spot. Okay, so this is obviously bad. So here, actually, I'm I'm gonna need more room. So I'm gonna need to level up from basic to medium tier to high tier. So over here, I'm going to scoreboard players set at a delt 0. Okay, so this should stop the even when I'm holding the item. Yeah, okay. So let's get rid of this thing. I'll grab a new basic sword. Didn't set the basic sword experience to 1,000. So that something's wrong here. I'm not sure why I didn't do that. Huh. That's a little weird. Let me try again. I mean, obviously, it doesn't seem like it should work. I don't know. I don't know why this didn't work. Let me try manually typing it in. Score of basic sword. Oh, God. These are the other way around. Basic sword experience. It's always a little tough to work with these things. Okay, so grabbed an extra one by accident. All right, so now I have a sword in my inventory. Let's grab a spider. Oops, I already had one. Look, it works. So I'm leveling up I'm getting experience for my sword here. If I just punch it, I'm not gonna get anything. Yeah, cool. Okay. So, let me actually scoreboard objectives. Remove. I wanna change the display name for experience. Add experience dummy. EXP to level. So let's do that, and I'll give myself a new sword because I want to reset the score. There we go. Experience to level. So 1,000 experience to level. 930, 860. Cool, this works. This works great. Okay. Then what I want to do is what exactly do I want to do? So I guess let's do it here, or here. So scoreboard, oh god, what is the syntax even? Scoreboard players test at, oh sorry, I want to test the player. Okay, that's special. Basic sword experience. How do I test? Negative. I guess just do negative like a billion to 0. Score 580 is not. Oh, perfect. Okay, it works. Did I copy that right? Yes. Okay. Scoreboard. That okay. So then, I can tell when the player's leveled up. So let's title at a drop. Oh, level up. Oh, right. How does this work? Hold on. I haven't used the title command in a while. So it's title at a title level up. So that's that thing. And then it's subtitle drop your basic sword to level it up. Oops. Alright, let's test it out. Let's kill some more spiders. Probably 4 will do it. So that thing, this should work, I think. There we go. Level up. Drop your basic sword to level it up. Let's make that title. Okay. Let's make a thing here. Actually, should probably be like. So this will be a setup button. So So we'll create all of the scoreboards and everything so we could reset this up. So if I wanted to use it as a schematic and copy it into New World, I could. So, hold on. Button. Okay. Sign. Set up. Set everything up. And we'll have some command blocks. Let's see, we got a $2 donation from Remcove, $69 donation from Egrass. Thank you very much. Says, love your stuff. Really appreciate the donation. That's quite generous. And $3 from AJ Fromer. So thanks, guys, for the donations. Really appreciate it. Okay, so I'm going to set the title stuff. So title. Actually, maybe I should even... Title at a... How does this work? At a times... That's the one. Title at a times. So it's fade in 0. So I want it to show instantly. Only stay around for maybe 2 seconds, and then fade out over the second. Let's see how well that works. Didn't work. I forgot to press the button. Level up. Drop your basic sword to level it up. Yeah, that's an appropriate amount of time. Maybe I should change the color. I don't know. Let's add in the command blocks for the other things that I need to set up. Scoreboard. Objectives. Don't you hate it when a YouTuber shows their face for the first time and looks nothing like how they sound? That's you, Seth. Sorry. Play a sound when you level up. Yeah, I guess I should probably play a sound too. Yeah, so I'll add a sound in there. That's kind of the type of thing that I can add later, though. Right now I'm just trying to make it work. Scoreboard, objectives, add, let's see, basic sword, dummy. Let's do, because I need 6 of those. Anyway, basic bow, let's do in this same order. Basic boots, dummy, and basic bow, dummy. And I'll have to name the second tier boots and bow and sword. Then I need to make a damage dealt objective. I probably still have that in my history here, actually. Let's see. Let's add in experience. Scoreboard objectives. Display sidebar experience. Hold on. This isn't right. To level. There we go. So I need damage dealt, bow. Let's just go to the very top. Okay, bow. Let's see. Damage dealt. And I need a new objective. Scoreboard objectives. Add. Walk. Actually, let's do sprint. Sprint. Stat dot dist. Oh, it's... There we go. So that's the objective. Let's just put it in here. Oops. Need a new one. Okay. So, let's just make sure that that objective... Oh. So I already have a sprint objective, I guess. SethBling sprint 0. Well, that's fine. This is the right thing anyway. Cool. All right. So let's finish the sword thing first. Actually, let's add in the player sound. I'll just do the level up sound actually. Play sound. Random dot level up. No, what is it? I have to look this up. Hold on. Just look through my. Sorry, one sec. Okay. So level, is it levelup.ogg? Yeah, okay. So it's, oh, I think it's just random.levelup with no, oops. Okay, yeah. How do you donate? There's a big donate button in the stream description. Okay, so, is that right? Yeah. Random.levelup. Let's try it out. Let's see what it looks like. Does that sound weird? It's supposed to be like, the pitch is supposed to be lower or something. 100, something like that, I think. What? Hold on. Right, tilde. No, that's way off. I don't know. I guess it was fine. Yeah, I guess that's right. I don't know, it just sounded weird to me. But I guess that's right. Okay. So, that one's all done in terms of tracking experience and notifying the player. Let's see. So I need to name the second tier of sword. Okay, yeah. So let's create the second tier of sword before we do anything else. So we'll have 2 tiers of sword, and then we'll be able to do the upgrades and everything. So objectives, add. What do you guys think I should name the second tier of sword? There's gonna be 3 tiers of sword. Tier 3, I'll probably be like some like flaming sharpness 4 diamond sword or something. With, I don't know. It'll be awesome. I want to know what you guys think. Medium sword. Magical sword, sexy sword, better sword. I could just name. Actually, I like master sword for the top tier. I'm gonna call it medium sword, and then I'm gonna call it master sword. For the top tier. Just keep it simple. It's a proof of concept, and I want to make sure people. Notch sword. I like notch sword. Notch sword. So this one's gonna be gold. Cool. So notch sword is gonna be the second tier, and I think I should be able to just copy all this stuff and replace the word basic sword with notch sword, etc. So let's see. Let's go to MC Edit. Let's open the world. Let's clone all. Ooh, that's close. Okay, clone, mirror. I'll just clone this stuff all over here. I will replace. Find and replace. Basic sword with notched sword. And then I need to do the same thing, but just delete the space. And that should just work. Should just work. So let's take a look at the commands now. Yep. Oops. Notched sword. I see what's going on here. So set. Yeah, okay. This looks right. Okay, it didn't flip this thing around. Cool. Let's see, new donations. $5 from S Cyan I says, keep up the amazing work. Thank you, S Cyan I. Wow, $70 from dgpvp.com. It's a server. You can go check them out, I guess. Thank you very much, dgpvp.com. $1 from Can't Kill This. Thank you. $100 from Egrass. EEGRAS says, hashtag SethWing, hashtag SethBot, hashtag SethBeard. Thank you very much. Those are some really generous donations. Okay, well, $101 donation from dgpvp.com. Well, you got the IP right there in the on the stream. Wow, very generous. Thank you guys. Appreciate it. All right, so my phone's going off. So okay, so this is this should be good for tracking experience on the basic and intermediate tier swords. And so now I need to actually give the player a mechanism for leveling up. And the way I'm going to do that is when they toss the item, I'm going to have them level it up. All right, I was going to put it on the... Okay, you know, I'm just going to shorten this thing. I'm going to grab this thing, because it doesn't need to be so far down. And I'll put it here. So then, when the player does level up, what I need to do is I need to... Okay, scoreboard, objectives... Huh. How do I do this? Okay, so what I'm going to look for is if there is an item on the ground. Okay, so I need to... this is going to be tricky. It's going to be kind of tricky. I think I can do this. So, let's see. Come on. I got a $2 donation from 911 Joey, thank you, and $1 from Sacred Heart 09. Thank you very much. Appreciate the donations. So this one, scoreboard objectives. How do I do this? I need like new objectives for. Okay, so let's see. Scoreboard objectives, add basic sword eye. So this is going to be... did I put dummy at the end of this? Yeah. No, I didn't. That is not even going to work. Alright, so this is going to be the item, so that I can tell items on the ground... If items on the ground are the items that I want to level up. Someone said, someone was asking if I can upload this stream to YouTube. Since I'm streaming on both YouTube and Twitch, it's actually automatically going to be, put on YouTube as well. So yeah, it'll be up there if you want to watch it later. In fact, some of the people who are watching this are watching it later on YouTube, probably. Got a $5.55 donation from undonated username, #beard. Thank you very much for the donation. Okay, so basic sword, eye. So, and then I'm going to need notched sword, eye. Where did I do this? Did I just do it all along the line here? Basic sword, notched sword, yeah, okay. Basic boots, eye. Need another one here. I don't know what I'm going to call it yet. Basic bow eye. And then the intermediate bow will go here. And get those. So let's create all those objectives. Let's see. So Let's actually move this over one. Actually, no, I don't need to. Okay, scoreboard players set at E type equals item basic sword I 1, but only if they have the right MBT. So tag display. Actually, this is an item, so I actually need the item tag in here too. Item tag display name. This is like kind of complicated. Basic sword. Oops, need an end quote. Okay, so scoreboard objective set display sidebar. Basic sword I is what I want. And let me grab a basic sword. I don't have one. Wait, why isn't... Oh, right. Basic sword I. Okay, so then here we go. If I drop it, yeah, so it gets a score of 1. So that's good. So now, oh wait. So there we go. So when there is a basic sword on the ground, we're going to summon. Okay. Actually, I need to test. This is tricky. Okay, actually, I think I know how to do this. I'm going to use some actual redstone. So, look at this. Oh, this is going to be so clean. Look at that. So I'm going to make an AND gate here. This is an AND gate. So I need the item to be leveled up. And I need the item to be on the ground. And if it is, then... sweet. We summon... okay, so... Yeah. Let's see. We're going to summon an item. Oh, I need to execute. Execute at E type equals item score basic sword I equal min equals 1. So at the basic sword, we're going to summon a new sword. So it's summon item. Okay, this is going to be, let's see, ID. Okay, I have done this recently for the rings. Item ID Minecraft gold sword. Count 1. And tag display name. Whoops. This is a notched sword. Cool. I think this will work. Okay, so I need to level up. Okay. Scoreboard objective set display. Oops. Okay. So let's level up. Let's grab a couple spiders. Level up my sword. How do I know all this? Just lots of experience, lots of practice. I've done all this stuff before. It's just a matter of putting it all together. Okay, so we level up here. Level up, drop your basic sword to level it up. There we go. We drop it. It didn't work. Didn't work. I did it incorrectly. So let's see, what did I mess up here? Is it gold sword or is it golden sword? It's golden sword. That might be, that's probably what I messed up here actually. I bet the stone has the name, the correct name, but I will check in a sec. Golden sword. No, it doesn't, so that's a problem. I might have messed it up. Let's try it again. There we go. Does this have the name? Notch sword. And that has 0, a score of 0. Okay, so we still have some problems. The notch sword is immediately leveled up. So I'm gonna add that to this. So we're gonna do that, and then we will kill. Okay. Kill at e type equals item score basic sword I min equals 1, so that we're gonna kill the basic sword after we summon the notched sword, and then we're also gonna scoreboard players set notched sword experience 5,000. All right. Now at this point, I want to add something here to clear out the notched sword experience. Scoreboard players, what is it? Reset notched sword experience. So let's give myself a new. Okay, so I have a basic sword. All right, let's try this out. I need like 5 of these guys or something. I should probably just lower the experience requirement while I'm testing it out. But it's kind of fun killing spiders for now. Okay, and as we kill it, okay, level up, drop your basic sword to level up. There we go. There's the notched sword. We killed the basic sword. 5,000 experience to level. Actually, the one thing I forgot to do here is scoreboard players reset basic sword experience. So get rid of the basic sword from the scoreboard. Let's try this again. One, two, three, four, five. So we'll add some particle effects and stuff to this later. Oh, maybe I should do it now, actually. That'll be fun to add. And level up. Okay, so we drop it. We get the notched sword. And the basic sword is gone from the sidebar. So that works. Let's see, I have a text. Oh, never mind. We probably have some new donations, huh? Yes. $1 from Tuxedo Miner. Thank you very much. $25 from the Canadian Ninja. Says, love you, man. I love you too, Canadian Ninja. Thank you very much for the donation. $31 from Egruss. Just making it an even 200. Very generous of you. Keep up the great work. Looking forward to more Mindcrack stuff. Well, thank you very much for the donation. Can't make promises on the Mindcrack stuff, but we'll see. At the very least, I need to build my UHC statue with Good. $1 from Palombo 2. And so thank you very much, Palombo 2. And $32 from the American Ninja. Just says heart. Appreciate the donations, guys. Thank you very much for, supporting the stream. This is my full-time job, so it's nice to be able to support myself off this. Being able to do this full-time gives me a lot more time to, learn how to do stuff like this that I'm doing here, and that I wouldn't be able to do otherwise. So, let's see. Actually, let me try. I do want to do another. Okay, let me try doing. How does this work? So, I don't. Hold on, it's particle. Okay, particle. What do I want? Huge explosion. Tilde tilde tilde. 0 0 0 0 1. Okay. Execute at P. Does that work? Okay, so let's see. Let's see if I can do this. Execute. Type equals item. Score basic sword min equals 1. Yeah, so let's see if this works. Basic sword I min. That's what I want. Have to reset again. Some color would be nice on the titles. Yeah, I agree. I'll probably add it later. Let's kill 5 spiders. I'm glad it's an even number. Anyway. Or like, the last hit on the last spider gets me the level. Okay, level up. Drop your basic sword to level it up. Here we go. Oh, that worked. Cool. Last thing I just need is a sound. So let's see. Let's copy this. Let's do, I think it's random dot explode. Yeah. And we'll put that right here. So when you level up, it'll make an explosion and the new item will appear. Got $10 from Willies952002. Thank you very much. His server IP, which he's asking me to share, is 198.24.162.106. Port 26314. So thank you very much for the donation. $1 from Turkmelon. Thank you. And $1 from Derudy237. Thank you very much. Alright, so this is about done. The basic sword's about done. I just need to do this stuff for the... from the basic sword to the leveled up sword. The other thing is, now that I think about it, I need to give like enchantments to the new item. So let's see. So we're summoning the notch sword. Within the tag, I need... Okay, let me look up the... chunk format. Actually, it was enchantments. So it's a list of enchantments here, and I'm gonna need to actually look up the enchantment IDs. So you'll have to give me a sec here. Let's see. So what do we want to give the medium tier one? Probably like sharpness 2. So let's see. How do I do this? So enchantments have 2 tags. It's ID and level. So ID and level. So sharpness ID is 16. I'm just looking at the wiki. Oops. 16. Level 2. And another enchantment. Let's give it... I don't know. I don't want to do fire aspect. I want the... I guess sharpness 2 is good enough. And I'll give... Oh, I should give it higher sharpness, I guess, because gold is worse than iron. Maybe a level 3. Let's just test this out. I think I should be able to just do this. Okay, that actually didn't work because I don't have the item. Huh. Yeah, I'm actually going to have to reset in order to test it out. Let's try it again. Let's see. Got a $20 donation from Smeep9920. Says, hi, Seth. Hi, Smeep. Thank you very much for the donation. Kill. Level up. Okay, so then we drop it. So there should be a nice explosion effect. Here's the new sword. Doesn't look enchanted to me. I messed up. Okay, so let's take a look at why it's not enchanted. I didn't delete that. That shouldn't be a problem, though. This is within the tag, right? Maybe it's not, actually. Oh, yeah, okay. I didn't put it within the tag. There's a tag called tag, and I didn't put it inside of that. I was supposed to. It's supposed to be right here. Alright, reset one more time. I'm actually going to change this to like 100 so that just killing a single spider will do the trick. Okay, kill a spider. Hey, look, I leveled up already. There we go. And there we go, there we go. Okay, sharpness 3, notched sword, cool. I can put lore on it too, but I can do that later, so. No problem. We got $3.50 from Loch Ness Monster, thank you. $1 from 16 Austin 16, thank you. $6.65 from Immorgrin, says looking good. Thank you very much. $1 from Matt Image 8499 and $1 from Turklamon again. Oh, hold on. It's I mispronounced. Oh, Turk Melon. Turk Melon. Turk Melon. That's how it's. TURQ Melon. It's hard to pronounce. Anyway, thanks for the donations, guys. All right. Someone says, Seth, instead of using /summon, use /give, so the player's guaranteed to get their item. So the reason I'm doing /summon is because I want the player to drop the item, because in order to get them the new item, I'm going to have to make sure I remove the old item first. But for things like boots, it's a little awkward, right? Because I don't just want to remove the item because I can't re-equip the item for them. They have to re-equip it themselves. So in order to make it as easy as possible for the player to understand what's going on, I want them to drop the item. It makes it more intentional on their part that they're, you know, losing their armor. They won't do it in a time where they're during combat or whatever. So, oh, don't forget unbreaking on the gold sword. Thank you. I will add that. Where does that need to be? I guess that needs to be within the item tag. Probably like that. Okay, let's try that. Anyway, so I have to have them drop the item on the ground in order, you know, to make a good UI. And if they're going to drop the item on the ground, I want the new item to appear where the old item was. Although that one just went straight to my inventory. I did the unbreaking wrong. Is it supposed to be within the tag? Oh, maybe it's... This looks right to me. Unbreaking 1B. Let me see. Shouldn't have to be within the tag. Let me see how I did it on the other one real quick. Maybe it is within the tag. Yeah, I guess it is actually, because this is... Wait, it's not unbreaking, it's unbreakable. And also it's supposed to be within the tag. Right, it's right alongside display. I messed up. Come on. This is such a long command, it's like hard to find the part that I want. There we go. Get rid of that. Unbreakable 1B. Okay. Let's add spaces. I don't add enough spaces in my commands, in my NBT. Let's see. New donations. Got $3.50 from Loch Ness Monster again. Thank you. $39 from Keep Being Awesome Seth. Says, keep being awesome, Seth. Hope this helps. Heart you. Yeah, it does help. Thank you. $1 from Sexy Dancer and $1 from Ads666. Thanks for the donations. Okay, so we got that. We got that. I think this part is all good. I just have to replicate it on the other side. So let me just basically copy and paste everything from over here on the other side. And I'll have to modify it probably by hand. Okay, so let's see. Alright, so we select all this stuff, clone, mirror, we'll flip it along the horizontal axis and put it there. Save. Let's see, why? Okay, yeah, those are both off. That's good. Okay, so those things are the same as they were before. Don't need to mess with those. Scoreboard, players set. Okay, that's... Actually, I don't need to duplicate that. Okay, so this is where... Okay, I just need to go through these things. So we go from notched sword, I, and notched sword. Basically just increase everything by 1 tier. Okay, so that one's fine. Then we're going to summon in... This is going to be the Master Sword. So it's going to be a diamond sword. Name is going to be Master Sword. We're going to add in... so it's gonna have sharpness 5, and we're gonna add in flame aspect. What's the ID for fire aspect? It is 20. ID 20, level. I don't know the difference between level 1 and 2 is. We're gonna do level 2 anyway. And I can add in lore later when I feel like it. So we're going to summon that. I do need to change this to notched sword. And then we're going to do... I don't actually need that one for this. That's setting... okay, then we need to change this to notched. Yeah, it's summoning the particle, the huge explosion particle. We're playing the sounds. Then we kill the notched sword. And reset the notched sword experience. Alright. I'm going to need a lot of spiders. 25, I think. Oh my god! Kill it! Hehe. Let's see. Oh, got some more donations. Hold on, let me look. Whoa, kind of a lot, actually. $1 from Turk Melon, thank you. $2 from ZDiggy123, thank you. $5 from Tuxedo Miner, says great job, Seth. Thanks. $1 from Isaac, my brother. $5 from... thank you. Gotta remember to say thanks. $5 from Mark Lemieux, says the king of redstone is you. Make the master sword for the highest tier, please. Yep, that's the plan. $1 from Tim Hortons, thanks. $3.50 from Loch Ness Monster, thank you. Oh, sorry. $3.50 from Loch Ness Monster. I probably missed that before. And $1 from the Purple Pixel MC. Thanks, guys. Appreciate the support. Let's kill some more spiders. Sorry. I should set the experience thing lower, but hopefully this just works the first time. Hopefully this just works the first time. I don't have to just do this again. But if it does, I'll reset the experience requirement. Actually, I should just set it lower because I'm going to have to record a video anyway. So I want to be able to show all 3 tiers of the sword, at least for the video, I think. I'm almost there, guys. Gotta level up the sword. Oh, this isn't gonna be enough, is it? There we go. Level up. To drop your notched sword to level it up. Dropped. Bam! Look at this. Sweet Master Sword. Sharpness 5, Aspect 2, Diamond Sword. Unbreakable. Sick! And it's all leveled up, so we don't have the experience bar on the right anymore. Cool. Alright. Well, this works. Okay, so yeah, let me reset. Let me change the experience requirements. So I'll do 200. Let's do 300 for the. Well, I'll do like 400. So I have to kill 3 spiders or something. And then where do we set the experience for the next sword? Let's change this to 1,000. Okay, and then there's no experience requirement for the final one. So this is it. This all works, actually. We're done with the sword. I need to basically copy and paste this. Let's make this shorter. How much can I shorten it by? About 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I'll shorten it by about 10. That's easy to do. So 20. 20. And get rid of the last stuff off the end. SethBling sword, not master sword. Alright, so that's cool. And so, actually, we should be able to get most of this done by just copying and pasting. This is awesome. This is a really cool, thing. So let's see. I wish it was a little bit thinner, because I'm going to end up wasting a lot of space. But not a huge deal. So let's see. Clone. Just move it over. Actually, should I? Let me. Before I do this, let me actually do some like touching up of things. So, like for instance. Okay, so when we get the experience to level up, we do the title and the subtitle. We should probably also say title, add a title, level up, and that'll just be self-explanatory. Can I do text, level up, color, gold. Let's do gold. Let's grab a button real quick so I can test this. Level up. Let's see. Got some new donations. $5 from Alpha752 says, thanks for being awesome. $1 from Forensic. Thank you guys. $5 from King of the Wenches, who says, thanks for getting me back into Minecraft. Well, you're welcome. $5 from ZDiggy123. Do you remember says, do you remember photobombing Cood and I at GameVid Expo? I photobombed a few people in my time, but that does sound like me. $5 from Turk Melon says, I'm still here, Seth. I'm still watching you. Can you say hashtag Turk Borders and hashtag MitchTime for the people in your stream that know me? Well, there you go. Yeah, just so you know, for donations, in order to keep it kind of quick, I'm only reading the notes on donations more than $5. But I do appreciate, of course, all the donations. So thank you guys for donating, supporting the stream. Let's see. What was I doing? So I added the level up text. Actually, this might be a problem over here. I think I ran out of space. I can do it underground, I guess. Let's do it consistently for both of them, though, if I'm going to do that. So yeah, put it. What did I do? Okay. Level up. And then let's change the color on these things. Text level up, color. So I'll use gold for this text, and then yellow for the subtitle. Yellow. So that should work. Let's test it. Uh-oh. Didn't work. Why didn't it work? I just did the same thing over here, didn't I? Shouldn't it work? Text level up, color gold. I don't know. I'm not sure what I messed up here. Unless maybe it's already powered or something? No. Oh, it is already powered. No, it's not. Somebody notice yet what I did wrong? Maybe put a space here? I don't think that matters. Doesn't. Missed a colon. Yes, I did. Did I miss a colon in both of these? That'd be pretty silly. I didn't miss a colon here. Oh. That's weird. Does it only do a subtitle if you have a title? That seems really weird. Huh. Yeah, that's kind of weird. Okay. Well, thanks for pointing out that I'm being dumb. So that looks nicer, I think. I think that looks quite a bit nicer. So we'll do the same thing over here. I'll just actually copy and paste. And I do need to change the word basic on this to notched. And there we go. So then I need to, so I'll use notched. I guess I'll just use, okay, so I can choose different names. I think I'm just going to use notched and master for bow and boots. Notched boots, master boots. I know, that's a little weird. Okay, you know what? I'll use Zelda names for the top tier of each. So it's going to be like the top tier of the boots will be Pegasus boots. And the top tier of sword will be, or sorry, bow will be fairy bow. But I need middle tier. But I think it's okay to use notched for those things. So let's see. Basic boots, so we'll do notched boots and notched. Or maybe I'll do like dinner boots. So I'll use like notched dinner boots and like jebbo. I don't know. It's just references to the developers. Notched bow would actually make more sense than notched sword. I'm gonna use dinner boots and jebbo. Alright, we're gonna do it. So dinner boots 1, or dinner boots I, that is basic bow, and I guess I'm calling it jebbo. Jebbo. What the? Okay, sure. Sure, why not? And then we have to also do the same things over here. So basic boots, dinner boots, basic bow. I'll change the capitalization so it's capital B. And there we go. Okay. So we'll add these things. Did I already do? Okay, I don't know. Basic boots experience. Okay, what is this? So you travel 10 centimeters. Let's make this like a little bit higher. Because I think you... Oh, this is run... Okay, so actually 100 would be 10 meters. 500 would be 50 meters. Let's do 300. And then... basic bow. You have to shoot the bow, let's say, 5 times. And what is this down here? Okay, notch sword, dinner boots, and jebbo. It's a bit of a stretch. Let's see. I got a $1 donation from Toby Larone. Thank you. $5 from Baja Fresh. Says, please wear a funny hat. Smiley face. Do I have a funny hat? I got my Oculus Rift here. It's not quite a hat, but it goes on the head. I guess it goes kind of like goes over the top of my head. So this isn't really gonna work though because it's not hooked up. I can't see anything now. This isn't gonna work. All right. Well, I wore one anyway. Thanks for the donation, and then $1 from someone. So thanks guys for the donations. Another $5.01 from Anonymous. Says, hey Seth, remember the Minecraft tournament from last PAX East that totally bombed? Fun times. Yeah, I remember that. Thanks for the donation. $5 from Spartan Man. Says, hey SethBling, how do I fix corrupted chunks in my survival using MC Edit? It never works. I always try to repopulate and relight, but still my game crashes. MC Edit. I'm not sure. Usually just opening it and modifying the chunk and saving it works. If you're deleting the chunk, that should totally work. So yeah, I don't really know. That's a pretty weird case. Oh, I do have a Mario hat somewhere. Let me go check. Let me go see. I'm gonna run a quick ad while I look for my Mario hat. Be right back. Maybe it's... I'm not sure. I'm not sure where it went. Because I had that costume. Alright, well, best I can do in the meantime... Which way does this go? This hat is weird. Here we go. A little bit of this. That's the best I can do in the meantime. Oh, this is terrible. I don't like beanies. Alright. Sorry, I couldn't find the Mario hat. Oh, I have a couple of new donations. $4.55 from Palumbo 2. Thank you very much. Wants me to share a server, cobacraft.us, port 55796. $5 from ads. Says, here's 5 for naming the basic tiers. Grummy sword, as for like a crummy sword. It's a bit of a stretch. I've already done it too. I don't want to go back and redo it. So sorry. But thanks for the donation. And $1 from PieLover928. Thank you very much. I'm taking this off. I can't do it. This is actually a Where's Waldo hat. It was part of a Where's Waldo costume that somebody wore to our apartment for Halloween and then just forgot here or something. Didn't want. I don't know. Yeah. So anyway, I think let's see. Did I do all this? I got Notch Sword, Dinner Boots, Jebbo. Yeah. So I think I'm ready to just copy and paste this stuff. Yeah. Because I spruced it up. I think everything is good. Yeah. So let's see. Let's make sure I get one layer into the ground. Let's clone. Hold on. I need to get this closer in. Closer in. Clone. Do I need any extra space in between them? Let's leave a little bit, I guess. And repeat, because I need to do it twice. Then I need to delete all these things because, well, it's extra stuff that I don't need. Dinner bow. Dinner bow is also pretty good. Sorry, I was looking at the chat finally. Dinner bow is also pretty good. But dinner boots, I don't know. They both have alliteration with a B. Dinner bow, it sounds more like dinner bone. Fine, I'll change it. I haven't done enough on there to make it not worth changing it, because all I have to do... Wait, but then I can't... Oh, Jeb Boots. I guess Jeb Boots works too. Why am I even... Alright. Jeb Boots. Fine, you guys win. Dinner bow. And I have to change these too. I have these extra... I have to like delete the extra... Jeb Boots. Dinner bow. Okay. Yeah, dinner bow does sound a lot better because it's close. It's so close to dinner bone. So fine, fine, you win. All right, and then I have to update these as well. Jeb Boots. Dinner bow. Wait, did I do it in different order here? No. Jeb Boots. Jeb Boots. Basic bow, dinner bow. Okay, we're fine. You guys, the lengths I go to, renaming boots and bow. I got a $1 donation from Chazrad. Thank you. All right, so now I need to basically let's refresh, reload the world. Okay, so this should be really easy actually. I'm gonna filter. I'm gonna replace basic sword with basic. Which one is this? Boots is first. Yeah, boots. Replace basic sword with basic boots. Do the same thing with the space. And then that should actually be about it. I need to change the damage dealt one to distance sprinted, but otherwise that should actually be it. I need to change the enchantments too. Okay, and then I want to do... Yeah, right. Okay, I'm not quite done here, because I need Notch Sword to be replaced with Jeb Boots. Yeah. And Notch Space Sword to also be replaced with Jeb Boots with no space. Right? Yeah. And then Master Sword to be replaced with Pegasus Boots. Save. Okay. And then let's do the same stuff over here. Filter. So basic sword gets replaced here with basic bow. Put a space in each of those. Okay, notched sword gets replaced with dinner bow. Space in each of those. And then master sword replaced with fairy bow. Save. Alright. And then the last thing I need to do for each of these should just be, well, I need to replace the enchantments on all these things. I also need to change how the score gets set. So let's see. Oh, actually, it's a little more complicated than that. For the bow, it's fine. For the boots, I just want to check if they're wearing the boots. So this actually, well, it should be pretty easy. So I just want to check, instead of slot 0, I want to check that it's in the boot slot. Let me figure out the player.dat slot. It's 100. Slot 100. 100. Whoops. And get rid of selected item slot here because I don't care what selected item slot they have. I can just delete the rest of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep, that's good. And then do the same thing here. Slot 100. And get rid of selected item slot. So it really simplifies it, actually, because I just need to care about one slot. 6, 7, 8. And then we need to do... instead of removing the damage dealt, I need to remove the distance sprinted, which is, I think, sprint. Scoreboard, objectives, was it? Yeah, sprint. So it's pretty straightforward to change this, just because the way I have it set up. So let me do the same things over here. Actually, so the bow part is fine. The damage dealt part is the thing I need to change. Instead of that... Oh, there's one more thing I need to do over there, but just give me a sec. Let's change this to bow. And then I also need to change this, reset their the bow score rather than... Whoops, I just got turned around. Where am I? Where am I? I got lost for a sec. And then, yeah, here I need to, instead of setting the dealt score to 0, I need to set sprint score to 0. So, let's take a look. I think this should work, actually. Let me just adjust the amount of experience required for, yeah, for the bow. I just want like 10 shots or something. Okay, so let's get rid of the Master Sword. I actually want to clear out 3 spots in my inventory. Where are we? I'm so lost. B double bow. That's pretty good. Or, yeah. Okay, anyway, so let's see. Basic sword. Basic boots. Basic bow. 5 experience level, etc. Okay. Whoops, I'm already wearing basic boots. Okay. So, let's see. If I just walk around, it's fine. If I sprint, it didn't work. Should be removing... Let's see. So why didn't it work? Does it not think I'm wearing the boots? Okay. Yeah, it doesn't think I'm wearing the boots. So why doesn't it think I'm wearing the boots is the question. I'm sure I have some new donations. Let me read those real quick. $2 from Mark Lemieux. Asking about the Redstone guide. Yeah, I know that I have some builds in the Redstone guide. $2 from Bill Bigfoot. Thank you. $1.33 from Illumi Navi. Thank you. And $10 from Gallinator85. Says, "Hey Seth, love your videos. You're a brilliant entertainer and an awesome Minecrafter. Keep up the awesome work." Will do. Thanks for the donations, guys. Okay, why isn't it recognizing the boots? Oh yeah, the name tag feature. There's a name tag feature that I could use. Unfortunately, well, I guess I could just move to snapshot 21B. I'm trying to look in the chat to see if... Yeah, so it should look for an item with the name Basic Boots with a space in the middle, so that's fine. My boots in my inventory have the space, so that's correct. I'm not sure. Oh, yeah, the clocks aren't on. So yeah, thank you. That's actually exactly what it is. Yeah. Oh, why do I have such a negative score? Oh, right. Okay, let me redo the boots. Let's do the boots again. Boots. Alright. So, 300 a level. Oh, right, I'm not wearing them. Okay, so I walk around, nothing happens. If I sprint, that's really fast. I'm gonna increase that. So I guess it's... Oh, it's CM, right. So I actually want like 30,000. or 3,000 to level. And then when I get the better boots, I'm going to do... Oh, where is it? It's right here. Do 6,000. Okay, so... level up. Level up. Oh! It's still a sword, right, of course. So I need to change the item type when I get the new item. Oh, hold on, let me check what it's called in the... It's golden boots, okay. So instead of golden sword, I want golden boots, of course. And then we'll do the same thing over here. Diamond boots. And then the ones over here are just going to be bow and bow, of course. Alright, we're making progress. I think we're getting pretty close. I still need to do the enchantments on all these things. Okay. Bow. Alright. So let's start over with... I love how it's a sword named Jeboots. Alright. We have basic boots. If I sprint around, it does nothing. 3,000 experience to level. Let's put them on. Walking around does nothing. Sprinting around. Yep. We're leveling it up. And... Cool. Level up. Drop your basic boots to level it up. Let's drop it. There's my Jeboots. If I walk around, nothing. Put them on. Nothing. So that's not quite working. Oh, because I didn't modify this one either. I can't think. Oh wait, no, this one should work. This one should work because I did modify it actually. Oh, I think I know why. I think there's no objective called Jeboots. Okay, so let's see. Does this work? Yeah, okay, that was it. I forgot to actually press the button to make the objective. So we level it up. Boop-a-doo. Just running around. Bang, level up my Jeboots. Sharpness 3 Jeboots. There's my Sharpness 5 Fire Aspect 2 Pegasus boots. Cool. So that one works. I think the bow... I need to start the clock on the bow for sure. Oops. Ah. Oh, no, the clock is going on this one. Why is the... Okay, I don't know. I guess I started it. So then we shoot, 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 shoot. Level up. Drop your bow. Basic bow to level it up. Alright, so we got dinner bow. Level up. Drop your dinner bow to level it up. And here's our fairy bow. Sharpness 5 aspect. Yeah, cool. So I just need to edit the enchantments. And that's good. That's all we need. This has gone pretty smoothly, actually. Let's see. So... enchantments are on this. Okay, so on the boots... Actually, for the boots, it's not going to be enchantments. It's going to be attribute modifiers. Although I will do enchantments as well. So, let's see. Enchanting. So we'll do protection... Well, I don't know. 2 and 5, I think. So protection is ID 0, level 2. And we'll do... Where are we? Here it is. ID 0, level 5. I should do level 3, just because this diamond actually has crappy protection. Okay. So there's that. Let's just go ahead and add the bow enchantments too. So I will do power, which is ID 48. Level, I'll do power 3 and 5, I guess. But I will also do flame 50 level 1. Oh, yeah, okay. I'll do flame and I'll just do punch 1, I guess, as well. Punch 2 maybe. ID 49 level 2. And I'll do punch 1 on the other thing. Punch was 49. Level 1. Okay. That should work. And then I want the speed modifier. So this is going to take some looking up as well. So we're going to use attribute modifiers on items. So how do I do this? I'm looking in the wrong attribute modifiers. So let's see. Here we go. So instead of enchant, it's attribute. What is it called? Modifiers. And that's a list. Has a compound. Attribute name is generic dot movement speed. And then I wonder if I need a UUID for this. I don't think so. Amount. Let's say, so I want to, amount this is the amount that I want to increase the player's speed by. Let's say 1.4. And operation is one, I guess. This is a little confused what I need here. I think this is right though. So let's see. I think that should be good. I'll have to test it in a sec though. So then I'll just copy this. So I want the boots to make you run faster is the idea. And we'll do... I don't know if I got the syntax exactly right though. So, but we'll check it out. Alright. So let's give myself fresh boots. Put them on. Run around. Whee. Okay. So the basic boots. These are just normal unbreakable boots. Drop them. We get the new basic boots. Or sorry, we get the Jeb boots. Doesn't look like it has the attribute modifier though. So I messed up. Alright, I did mess up something. Let me see if I can figure out what at a glance. So, okay, attribute modifiers is a list. It's in the tag. Oh, hold on. I did the modifiers. No, wait. Yeah. So do I need to give him my UID or something? Someone in the chat said, name the Jeb boots dinner boots. We've already been over this. All right. What did I do wrong? We have amount. That's capital. Yeah. So the I've spelled all the words right. Oh, okay. Here it is. It's name. It's name rather than attribute name for modifiers. That should actually fix it, I think. We'll see though. It's possible it's still wrong. Okay, so let's try a new set of boots. Put them on. Level them up. I really like this mechanic. I think it's pretty cool. Okay, level him up, drop him on the ground. New boots. Doesn't look like it worked still. So let's figure it out. Let's destroy these. Alright, let's take another look. Okay, attribute modifiers is a list. It has one item here. The name is generic.movement speed. Let me make sure I got the... you know what? It might need a name, actually. Oh, wait. No, hold on. Name is the... Wait, I might have done this wrong. Hold on. Item... Format... No, it was so attribute name actually is right. Sorry, I'm looking in the item format, in the chunk format thing. Attribute name. And then maybe I also need a name. I think I do actually. Name speed up. Let's try this and let's see if it works. I think that was it actually. But you never know. I might be wrong. No, it's still not working. I hate this. I hate this stuff it's like so finicky, and it's doesn't make it easy for you to get the right syntax and everything. Let me try adding a UUID. Actually, no, UUID shouldn't matter. So name, amount, operation. Do I have all those things? Attribute modifiers is right. Has a thing with an attribute name, generic.movement speed, which is an actual attribute. Let me just check and make sure I got generic.movement speed. That is correct. I bet somebody's yelling at me with the right answer, and I'm like not seeing it. I don't need a UUID for a speed boost modifier. Yeah, I didn't think so. Someone's saying attributes, but that's not right. Because it's on an item. Tag attribute modifiers. Attribute name. Then we have name, amount, operation. I'm kind of wondering if name is actually supposed to be the... I don't think it's supposed to be the name of the name of the attribute, but I'm going to try it anyway, just in case I'm wrong. So let's do this again. Okay. Still didn't work. You know, I just realized the top donator, the thing isn't really fully showing, is it? Let me see if I can adjust that. Sorry, because they actually put in an IP, and they did donate quite a bit, so yeah, okay. Sorry about that. Yeah, I didn't realize it wasn't showing because I couldn't see it on my screen. It should be showing now. Actually, I can probably even move it a little bit farther over. There we go. And get more of this. Okay. Do I have more donations? I probably do. Let me check my donations real quick. Yeah, I have a bunch. Hold on. Where did we leave off? Got that one, got that one. I think I got that one. Gallinator 85 donated $10. I think I already got that one actually. $1 from the Canadian Ninja, thanks. $1 from the Waka Flocka, thank you. $3 from Blagdorf Blagdorfin Guy. And $5 from ACG7749, who says, thanks for the stream. Were you a professional coder before YouTube? I was. I worked at Microsoft, actually. You figured it out. So thanks for the donations. And sorry I'm kind of getting stuck here. I don't want to be stuck here. It's not working. And I just haven't done this in a while. Feather falling or riot. Maybe I should add, yeah, I guess the top tier should have feather falling. Let me add that to the top tier boots. The Pegasus boots. Especially if it's called, I don't know, you'd think Pegasus boots would have. What is this? It has protection level 5. Oh, this is like something else entirely. So hold on. So feather falling is enchantment ID. Come on. 2. Level 5. Okay, so that should add that, but I still need to figure out. I need base 1.4. No, this is not an attribute. This is an attribute modifier. It's not using the syntax for attributes. It's different. I've done it. I'm trying to think if I've done this before recently. I haven't actually done this recently. Close the list, Seth. I'm not sure what you're talking about. What list? I don't know. Somebody was telling me to close the list, but my stream looks fine. Forgot to take off sharpness. No, I think I got that just now. It's 4, not 5. What's 4, not 5? I don't even know. You guys are saying a lot of things. Amount needs to be an integer. Oh, that might be true. Is it a percent? Hold on. I don't think that's right, actually. Come on, where's attributes? Base. Amount is a double. Amount is a double. It should be 1.4. I'll try 140 and just see what happens, but I don't think that's going to be the answer. I think it's going to... Yeah, I think it's going to make me go like super fast if it actually works. But we'll try it. I don't think that's the right... I don't think that's the answer, though. Yeah, it didn't work. Rather than doing this, I should just like do it. I should just like do this on a command where I don't have to level up the stupid thing every time, because apparently it's just going to take a while to get right. Let's see. So let me grab this whole thing. This trying to mess around with this MBT stuff, especially attributes, is kind of a pain sometimes. It's a complicated topic. Okay, so let's see. No attribute modifier. Okay. I need to change the name to the name of the attribute. So currently, the name is the name of the attribute. It's generic.movement speed, and the attribute name is also generic.movement speed. So, but I think name doesn't. I think name is actually like a nice, like it's supposed to be just a readable name. Let me try adding UUID. 1 UUID most 1. Let me try adding that, seeing if it does it. Yes, it did do it. That was it. I did need the UUID. Ah. Okay. I didn't think I did, and some people mentioned that I didn't, but I do. So 140 is wrong. It should be 1.4. But let's try it out just real quick. Basic boots. Ooh, that's fast. Dang, that's fast. Okay. I didn't realize 1.4 was so... okay, so... Great, we did it. We got there. Let me remove this thing. Okay. And yeah, so we'll just add these to the 2 items. And that should actually be it, I think. So let's do a speed up of like 1.15 and 1.4. Am I still wearing them? Okay, I am wearing them. It's so... the field of view change is so huge. Okay, so I think this should work now. I'm gonna try all 3 items out, just because I don't remember what needed fixing. So, basic sword, basic boots, basic bow. Let's put on the basic boots. Let's test these first. So we're leveling up the basic boots. And leveled them up. Toss them on the ground. So here's my Jeb boots. Put them on. Oh, why are they so fast? Is that really... Oh, plus 115%. Oh! I don't know why I just did game mode 1. I think I was already in game mode 1. Okay. I see what's going on. The operator was not what I thought it was. So, I actually want... So I'm going to try 0.40 and 1.1. Or 1.0, I mean. What? Dinner bow. Oh, I want this one. Okay, let's try this one more time. Boots. Put them on. Go! Whee! Level up. Drop them on the ground. Here's my new Jeb boots. Protection 3, plus 40% speed. This is more reasonable. And now we can level... we can even level up faster because we can travel faster. Okay. Drop your Jeb boots to level it up. Alright, here's my Pegasus boots. Feather falling. Look at this speed. Damn. Alright, so that is done. I'm going to take these off because they change my field of view. That's in an annoying way. Alright, basic bow. This is just a normal unbreakable bow. Leveled up. Just Q, drop it. Here's my dinner bow. Yeah, this is working. Hold on, did I have the right enchantments? Power 3, punch 1, yep. Okay, and fairy bow. Sharpness 5, power 5, flame 1, punch 2. So let's get rid of sharpness 5 from that. Whoops. Let's see, which ID is sharpness? I think it's like 20, right? Or 16 has to be it. Yeah, 16 sharpness. Okay. Cool, so that one, I'm going to call that one good. And then the sword is the last thing I need to test. So let's get some spiders. Let's level it up. Should just take 2 spiders. Drop basic sword. So now we have sharpness 3, notched sword. It's called notched sword. Good. Deals damage faster, but I need more experience. Come on, man. Get over here. I think I need one more. Level up. Drop it. There's my master sword. Sharpness 5, fire aspect 2. And I don't have the experience bar on the right-hand side anymore. So we kill this guy. Nice. That's it. That's all I wanted to accomplish today. It looks nice, I think. So, really, I think I should be done with the stream now. I guess I could theoretically do some Super Mario World speedrunning. But since I'm streaming to both YouTube and Twitch, that means it's going to automatically make a YouTube video. So I'd rather not mix the two types of content within the same video. So I'm going to end the stream here. How long was I streaming for today? Seems like about 2 hours. Yeah. Well, almost exactly 2 hours. Cool. Let me just read donations, make sure I didn't miss any. Yeah, there's a few donations. Hold on, I'm trying to find where I left off. Where was it? Got that one. Blagdorfinger, $5 from ACG. Got that one. $5 from Blagdorfin guy. Says I would love to help moderating if that's okay. I don't necessarily want to just add moderators. I know the moderators I have in here are a little bit overworked. I'll try and deal with it, but I can't necessarily just let anyone moderate. I kind of need to know them first. But anyway, thanks for the $5. $2.69 from Mark Lemieux, who says, "Do you already think to what? So sorry, are you already thinking about what you'd do if Minecraft was abandoned?" And well, I mean, I've started streaming Super Mario World, and that's a lot of fun for me. But I guess I would just have to see what I was into at the time. $5 from Lico2, thank you very much. I was going to use this to buy some SNES games, but I was outbid on eBay. It sucks. So hi there. What's your favorite language to code in? C# is my favorite language. So that's yeah. And then $1 from Evil Demon. So thank you very much. $2.50 from Little Fuzzy Dude. Thank you. Somebody made a 1 cent donation, but I don't even think that's possible. If you donate it less than 33 cents, I don't even get any money. So, huh. How did? Oh, that's interesting. Somebody is exploiting it, I think. Anyway, that's it for the donations. I appreciate you guys coming out to watch the stream. I'm gonna end it here. I will find a raid target for you guys shortly. I appreciate everyone watching, appreciate the donators. I also appreciate everyone who didn't donate but is just here watching. I mean, your support is what allows me to do this full time, and it's basically the best job in the world. So, let's see. Looks like Blame the Controller is doing some modded Minecraft on the Quackpack server. So, you go check him out. Definitely be polite. Don't spam his stream too much. Too bad. But yeah, go check him out. You might be interested in what he's doing. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Whoa. Sorry, I didn't end the stream quite yet. Is that real? It says I have a $1,000 donation from CP Penguin 1289. Is that real? Hold on. That doesn't seem like that could be real. I can't even, I'm like, what the heck? On PayPal it says under review. But So I guess maybe it hasn't gone through yet. If that is a real donation, holy crap, thank you. That's a lot of money. Yeah, wow, I'm kind of speechless here. I'm gonna obviously wait until it actually goes through to be too jubilant, but if it is a real donation, thank you very much. Like, so much. There's a request to add you on Skype, and I will definitely do that if, assuming it goes through. Dang. I was, yeah, right at the end of the stream. Thanks. Okay, well, I'm going to end the stream here anyway. Oh, thanks for watching, guys. See ya.